Today we'll talk about how can you earn more points on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just click on here, you click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on my membership program. Just click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on earn more points. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you get, so here can you earn more points. When you click here on this here, and here can you just go to shop here, and here then it's going to give you points on your Decathlon app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking